everyone, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to take you to the island, man. Well, no, not really. I'm just going to share my Pina Colada Smoothie recipe with you guys. And first we're going to begin with 1 cup of pineapples. That's frozen pineapples. 1 frozen banana, and just break it into 4s or 3s or whatever and put it on top of the pineapples. Here we go, breaking it all apart. All right, and after we do that, I grab my spoon because I forgot to grab my spoon for the yogurt. So I'm looking for a spoon, and I'm back with the spoon. Here I go with the vanilla Greek yogurt. Get 2 heaping tablespoons out of there. 2 real good size tablespoons. Yes, there we go. And then we put that away. Next, I'm going to grab, here we go, come on. I'm going to grab the coconut milk. Yes, 1 cup of coconut milk. And as I find my measuring cup and bring it to the counter, there it is. I'm going to pour exactly 1 cup into the measuring cup. Here we go. Pour, 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 pour. Yes. Then we take the measuring cup and we pour the coconut milk in the mixture. Yes. You know, this is why you need to watch videos to the end, because I forgot 1 ingredient. Here we go. Yes, I'm coming back. I swear. Honey, yes, almost forgot the honey. I almost forgot that good old honey. You need that. So I just use a good tablespoon and I put it in the mixture, a real good heaping tablespoon. Then I put the top on and I'm going to mix it all together in my Ninja blender. So I shake it, I shake it, I shake it, and then here we go. Take the cup and I shake it up a little bit more to mix all the ingredients together, and I do another 60 seconds. It is finished. Yes. Okay, I grab my glass. I take the top off. Look at that nice yellow color. Look at that. It looks rich. So good. I take my whipped cream and I spray a little on the top. Make sure you shake that can really well so you can get that whipped cream out of there. Isn't that pretty? Look at that drink. Now try making this for people who come over to visit you. Oh, look at that. Look at my drink. Look at my drink. She played too much. But anyway, should I choose orange or yellow? Orange or yellow? I'll stick with the color scheme. Yellow drink, yellow straw. And guess what, guys? A yellow t-shirt. Yes, whenever I make Pina Colada smoothies, I just want to wear my sunglasses. And I just want to tell you, that was a good smoothie. You guys need to try this. Give it a try. You will love it. I promise you will. You will definitely love this drink. So give this recipe a try, and I will be seeing you guys next time. All right? So take care and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.